What's up? Welcome to Beats and Eats. I'm BN5 Stacks and today I'm hungry. We're gonna cook some pistachio stuffed mushrooms with a drizzle of basil oil. I hope you're ready. Let's get to cooking.
We're gonna start off by de-stemming our mushrooms and setting our stems to the side. Today I'm using Crimini mushrooms. You can use any mushroom of your choice. Now let's take our stems and get a fine chop, a real rustic style. Next we have half an onion and we're going to 1/4 inch dice it, just like so. On to our breading. Today we're using Kings Hawaiian bread, 6 slices. And we're going to grind up half a cup of pistachios. Let's begin cooking our stuffing vegetables. Don't forget to salt and pepper that bad boy. Once our onions and mushrooms have cooked down, let's go ahead and transfer it to a sheet pan and set it in the refrigerator to cool down. While our vegetables are cooling, we can begin our basil oil with 4 garlic cloves, basil leaves, and 1/4 cup of parsley, including the stems. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. We'll slowly drizzle in the oil while blending until we get a nice pesto. Let's go ahead and put our stuffing together. We got our onions, mushrooms, breadcrumbs, pistachios. We're gonna go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. And we'll finish it off with some more Parmesan cheese. Now we'll begin filling our caps. When rolling out your stuffing, you can roll them out to 3/4 of an inch. Don't overload it, but don't underload it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Before we stick these bad boys into the oven, we're gonna give them a coating of pistachios. Let's get our stuffed mushrooms in the oven. We're gonna cook them for 25 minutes. We can begin plating our stuffed mushrooms. Once it's all together, don't forget to go ahead and add a drizzle or dollop of that basil oil.
And just like that, we got some pistachio stuffed mushrooms with some basil oil pesto to go atop. Quick and easy, you can try this at home.